Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Nokia 2025 4G, at first you have to simply unlock your phone and then you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and go for the personalization and then go for the sounds. Right now at the first we can change ringtone. For example, for Brooke, click select. The same for the message alert. Let's select this one. Here we can turn on or turn off vibrations, notification alerts, warnings, and here we can change volume level of our ringtone. Let's set on 0, for example. Here we can enable or disable keypad volume. Let's turn it off. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.